To all, I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. Today my topic is verb conjugation in French. Now we discuss on the ER, IR and RE verbs in French. Verb. Verbs are the action words and you cannot speak French without them. These are the three main verbs categories in French: ER, IR and RE verbs. These are the basic verbs. With the help of these verbs, we can learn the French easily. ER verbs. ER verbs are the most common. For example, visitor, voise, parle, habiter, manger, am, ami, adore, écouter, etc. Common ER verbs. Here are the some common ER verbs which are mostly used in our French. Conjugation of the ER verbs. For example, we take the parle. The verb parle, it means to speak or to talk. When we conjugate these verbs, we take some subjects. With the help of these subjects, we conjugate this. Je parle. We drop the ER and put E at the end of the ER. Je parle, tu parles, ES put on the tu, il parle put on the E at the last of the LO. It means he, she or it. Nous parlons, put ONS, drop the ER. Vous parlez, drop the ER and put EZ with the vous. Ils, else, parlant, PNT. Translation in English. Je parle means I speak, I do speak and I am speaking. These are the English translation of the parle with the help of subject. Jo means I and parle means to speak, to talk. Tu parles, you speak, you are speaking. Il and elle means he or she. Nous parlons, we speak. Vous parlez, you all speak, you all are speaking. It means vous are the formal you. Ils and else parlant, they speak. We use the ils and else for the plural form. Common IR and RE verbs. These are the second and third group of the verbs which are mostly used in IR and ER. How to conjugate the IR verbs? Here, when we conjugate the IR verbs, we drop the IR word and put is, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. According to the subject, we conjugate the verbs of IR. Some irregular verbs in the IR groups. Partir, it means to leave. Sortir, to go out. Dormir, to sleep. These are the irregular verbs. These are the exceptional verbs which have IR in the end, but we have to remember while you conjugate the verbs in French. For partir verb, conjugation of the partir, here we drop the rule is IR drop, but it is the irregular verbs, that's why we have to change all pronouns. We take some examples in below. Je, subject is the je and the partir verb conjugation, then we write PARS, pars. Tu pars, il part, nous partons, vous partez, ils or else partent. Sortir, same irregular verb of the IR groups and the conjugation have total change to IR group from IR group. Je sors, SORS. Tu sors, il sort, nous sortons, vous sortez, ils sortent. Dormir, drop the IR and put the ORS, DORS. Je dors, tu dors, il dort, nous dormons, vous dormez, ils, else dorment. These are the irregular verbs in the French. Now we shift on the RE group. How to conjugate the RE verbs? We have take example of vende. We drop the RE and put the end of the S, no change, ONS, EZ, ENT. We use the end of the verbs with the help of, according to the subject, we change the verbs. Put the na and pa in the negative form. While you making the some negative sentence in French, we use the ne and pa word. For example, ne and pa put in the before and after of the verb. First, the is the subject, ne and pa, it is a red mark. We have to identify the negative sentence with the help of ne and pa, not possible in the French. So we should have to before and after put the ne pa, in the between we put the verb parle. We have discussed in the last slide parler, PARLER. It is the ER verb of group. Then we remove the ER and put E. How you put the E? According to the subject. Ja is the subject. According to the ja, you conjugate the verbs and just put the ni and pa. In the second example, if the vowel is come in the form of verb, then we remove the E. ठीक है? In the question form, how to make a question in French? There are the three way. For example, tu parles français? You speak French? Parles tu français? Here we have to listen and tu. Tu is the subject and the parle is the er verb of the in the French. Here we conjugate the verb according to tu. It is the subject. Then we put the es. Parles tu français? Same meaning. Est-ce que tu parles français? Is you speak the French? The all have same sense. These are the shortcut of the verb conjugation. The, tu, il, el, no, vous, ils, else. These are the subjects, and here is the some conjugation of the verbs group: er verb, ir verb, and re verbs. Être and avoir we already had discussed in the last class. It is the main basic verbs in the sentence making, and entre and the être and avoir. Thank you.